In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel USA insurance. To get started, go to the USA website. Before you actually cancel anything, take a moment to review your current policy carefully. This is an important first step because you'll want to check the policy details, your renewal date, and whether you already have replacement coverage lined up. If you're switching to another insurer, make sure your new policy begins before the old one ends. That helps you avoid any gap in coverage, which can be especially important for things like auto insurance. Next, gather the information you'll need before contacting support. Have your policy number ready, along with your member number if it applies to your account. You should also know the reason you want to cancel and the exact date you want the cancellation to take effect. Having all of this prepared ahead of time can make the process much smoother and faster. Once you have everything ready, contact USA to request the cancellation. For most insurance policies, cancellation typically requires speaking with a representative directly rather than completing it entirely online. When you reach support, let them know you want to cancel your policy. During that conversation, clearly explain which policy you want to cancel and provide the effective cancellation date. You should also mention the reason for canceling, whether that's because you're switching insurance companies, selling a vehicle, or simply no longer need the coverage. Keep in mind that depending on your state or the type of policy you have, you may be asked to provide additional documentation before the cancellation can be completed. After that, confirm whether you'll receive a refund or whether there's any final balance due. If you prepaid your premium, you may be eligible for a prorated refund as long as there isn't an unpaid amount on the account. It's a good idea to ask how the refund will be issued and how long it should take to arrive. Before ending the call, request confirmation of the cancellation in writing or by email. That confirmation should show that the policy has been canceled, the effective cancellation date, and any refund details. Save that confirmation for your records in case you need to reference it later. Finally, a few days after the request is submitted, sign into your USA account and verify that the cancellation has fully processed. Check that the policy is no longer active, confirm that any automatic payments have stopped, and make sure you've received any refund that applies. And that's how to cancel USA insurance.